1960 Austin Healey Sprite MK1. Price, $18,500. Mileage, 70,000 miles. Location, Danbury, Connecticut. This 1960 Austin Healey Sprite MK1, commonly known as the Bug-Eye, is a lightweight British sports car that has recently undergone a comprehensive mechanical refresh by Stonebridge Sports and Classics in Danbury, Connecticut, known for its simplicity, agility, and classic roadster charm. This example has been carefully updated to improve reliability, safety, and overall driving enjoyment while maintaining its original character. Power is delivered through a small, lively four-cylinder engine paired with a manual transmission, offering an engaging, driver-focused experience that emphasizes balance and responsiveness over raw horsepower. The car's lightweight design and compact proportions make it especially fun on winding roads and ideal for enthusiasts who appreciate classic British sports car dynamics. Significant mechanical improvements have been completed, including upgrades to MK2 front disc brakes, Spax adjustable front shocks, SS brake hoses, a rebuilt braking system with new master cylinder, calipers, pads, rear drums, shoes, and wheel cylinders, ensuring strong and reliable stopping performance. Our dream is simple. We're hoping to reach just 1,000 subscribers. If you enjoy our content, please consider subscribing and supporting our journey. Your encouragement means more than you know and helps us continue creating videos. Every subscription is a small act of kindness that keeps our passion alive. Thank you sincerely. 1967 Austin Mini Moke. Price, $45,000. Mileage, 1,700 miles since restoration. Location, Bluefield, West Virginia.
This is a video of me showing how quickly the engine starts and how good it runs.
This 1967 Austin Mini Moke is a fully restored classic utility-style convertible, carefully rebuilt by DJ Mini Parts in Tampa, Florida. With just 1,700 miles since completion, it presents as a near-fresh restoration that combines vintage British simplicity with significantly upgraded performance and reliability. Power comes from a 1,293 cubic centimeters engine, bored out from stock, featuring a Stage 2 performance cylinder head, 2-barrel Weber carburetor, electronic ignition, and an 18-row oil cooler, giving it improved breathing, stronger performance, and enhanced durability under extended driving conditions. The engine maintains the classic Mini character while delivering noticeably upgraded drivability. 1924 Ford T-Bucket Hot Rod. Price, $30,000. Mileage, 300 miles. Location, Beverly Hills, Florida. This 1924 Ford T-Bucket is a classic open-wheel hot rod built for raw power, simplicity, and maximum driving fun. Finished in blue with a black interior, it carries the unmistakable lightweight, no-nonsense styling that defines traditional T-bucket builds, making it an attention grabber wherever it goes. Power comes from a freshly installed 468 cubic inch big block Chevrolet V8, delivering strong torque and aggressive acceleration. Paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission, the drivetrain is built for durability and effortless power delivery, making the car both easy to drive and extremely responsive. A Ford 9-inch rear end completes the setup, providing excellent strength and traction for the high-output engine. The car is described as running and driving flawlessly, emphasizing its road-ready condition and enjoyable performance. 1962 Triumph TR 3B Roadster. Price, $30,000. Mileage, 500 miles. Location, Hart, Michigan. This 1962 Triumph TR 3B is a beautifully restored British roadster that combines classic 1960s sports car charm with thoughtful modern reliability upgrades. Completed as an off-frame restoration in 2017, this example has been driven only about 500 miles since completion, making it a lightly used, well-preserved driver rather than a heavily worn classic. Under the hood is the original inline four-cylinder engine, fully rebuilt, maintaining the authentic character and lightweight performance that made the TR series so popular. The engine has been upgraded with an electronic ignition system and electric fuel pump, improving starting reliability, drivability, and overall consistency compared to factory specification. Enhanced carburetors further refine performance, giving the car smoother throttle response and better road manners. 1929 Ford Model T Hot Rod. Price, $15,500. Location, Twin City, Georgia. This 1929 Ford Model T is a classic-style hot rod built for simple, reliable V8 cruising and old-school American performance. It keeps the lightweight, iconic Model T body while incorporating modern drivetrain components that make it far more usable on today's roads compared to its original configuration. Power comes from a 350 cubic inch Chevrolet V8 engine, delivering strong, dependable performance with widely available parts and easy maintenance. The engine is paired with a 350 automatic transmission, providing smooth shifting and straightforward drivability, making it an easy car to enjoy even for casual classic car owners. The drivetrain is completed with a full positraction rear end, improving traction and stability during acceleration, especially useful in a lightweight hot rod like this. 1974 Austin Mini Clubman. Price, $15,000. Mileage, 31,000 miles. Location, Hickory, North Carolina. This 1974 Austin Mini Clubman is a fully restored British classic that has been carefully disassembled and rebuilt to deliver a refreshed, reliable, and enjoyable driving experience. Unlike many quick cosmetic restorations, this example underwent a complete teardown and repaint process, ensuring attention was given to every panel, corner, and structural detail. Power comes from a 1994 998 cubic centimeters A+ engine with approximately 31,000 miles, known for its durability and improved refinement over earlier mini powerplants. The engine delivers strong, responsive performance for its size, paired with the lightweight Clubman chassis that makes these cars famous for their go-kart-like handling and agile road manners. The mechanical refresh extends throughout the vehicle, including a brand new exhaust system, late-model fuel tank, and a fully rebuilt hydraulic system, all contributing to improved reliability and drivability. 1960 Austin Healey Sprite. Price, $25,000. Mileage, 15,000 miles. Location, Coatesville, Pennsylvania. This 1960 Austin Healey Sprite is a recently restored classic British roadster that emphasizes lightweight design, simplicity, and pure driving enjoyment. Finished in white with a black interior, it captures the timeless charm of early 1960s open-top sports cars, offering a compact and engaging driving experience that continues to attract enthusiasts worldwide. Power comes from a 200-plus-cc inline four-cylinder engine, delivering modest but lively performance that perfectly suits the car's lightweight chassis. Paired with a manual transmission and rear-wheel drive layout, the Sprite provides a direct, mechanical driving feel that prioritizes handling and driver involvement over outright speed. 1995 Jeep Wrangler Cummins Street Rod. Price, $25,000. Mileage, 12,345 miles. Location, Batavia, Ohio. This 1995 Jeep Wrangler has been transformed into a unique Cummins-powered street rod that blends classic Jeep styling with heavy-duty diesel performance. Built on a modified Jeep frame and featuring a full drivetrain swap, this vehicle stands out as a custom 2WD street machine rather than a traditional off-road Wrangler. Power comes from a P-Pump 12-valve 5.9L Cummins turbo diesel engine, known for its legendary durability and torque output. The engine has been upgraded with head studs, billet tappet cover, grid heater plate, a small timing adjustment, and a new fuel pump, enhancing reliability and performance. This setup delivers strong, low-end torque and the unmistakable diesel power characteristic of second-generation Dodge trucks. The drivetrain is paired with an NV 4500 manual transmission and Hurst shifter, providing a solid and engaging driving experience. Power is sent to a Dana 80 rear axle with drum brakes, while the front features a straight axle conversion with disc brakes, giving it a simplified but strong performance-oriented configuration.